Is the speaker not working on your iPhone 17, Pro or Pro Max, and your iPhone has no sound on videos but the ringer works? Then try these easy solutions that will help fix the bottom speaker of your iPhone. The first thing that you want to do is make sure the volume is turned up, and in case you have set the ringer volume for the volume buttons, then you'll need to open the control center and turn up the speaker audio. Also from the control center, make sure that your phone is not connected to any Bluetooth devices, in which case there won't be any audio through the speakers. If you're still having trouble, then let's just give your iPhone a forced restart. This will help fix any software glitches. Just quickly press and release the volume up and down button, and hold down the side button and keep holding until you see the Apple logo. If the problem persists after the restart, you should also check for your iPhone's software update by going to General and Software Update. Now, if you're having sound issues with some specific apps, then it's better if you try a few other apps and check if the speakers work. But if the sound still doesn't work, or it feels like it's muffled or low volume, then it's time to give the speakers a good clean. Just grab a soft bristle brush and clean both the top speaker and the bottom speaker that's on the right. And if there's too much dirt or debris, you can also use something like a toothpick to clear it out. It's best not to blow into the speakers using compressed air. And what will work the best is if you have isopropyl alcohol laying around. In that case, just wet a lint-free clean cloth using IPA and thoroughly press down on the speaker grills, which will clean up any dust or debris so that you get more audio. And after soaking the speakers with isopropyl alcohol, you can run water eject a few times. To do it, you can simply ask Siri to eject water. That will show you a pop-up, and you'll need to click on Begin Water Ejection. This will vibrate the speakers and loosen up any left dirt or debris. If the low volume still persists, then you can also try going to Accessibility, then Audio and Visual, and here make sure Mono Audio is disabled for highest quality, and the balance is set to 0. If nothing works so far, then the last thing you can do is reset all settings of your iPhone, and hopefully that will be able to resolve the issue. To do that, just go to General Settings, scroll all the way down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then Reset, and reset all settings. But note that after this, your iPhone will forget your Wi-Fi networks, and your home screen layout will also reset. If it's still not working, then this may be a hardware problem, and you can confirm it by yourself by putting your iPhone into Diagnostics and Repair mode. For this, you'll need to turn off your iPhone first. Now, hold down both the volume up and down buttons, then grab your charger and connect it to power. Keep them pressed until the Apple logo appears. In a few seconds, your iPhone will boot up into Diagnostics. After you're in Diagnostics, tap on Continue, and then you can unplug the cable. Then connect your Wi-Fi and follow the prompts. Now from here, select Audio for Self-Service Repair. As you can see here, it will play loud sounds through the speakers, so tap on Continue. Now you'll be able to know if it's a hardware issue or not. Hopefully it isn't. After completing the test, if everything works fine, then you can try resetting all settings of your iPhone. But in case something doesn't work, then it's probably a hardware problem and you'll have to get your iPhone repaired. Hope this resolved your issue, and stay tuned for more.